cause, grinding and clenching your teeth. This can put too much pressure on the teeth, causing the gum to recede. There is sort of flexing motion that happens at the neck of the tooth. This is something that some people do during the day or night when they are sleeping, stressed or focused. Treatment: if you grind your teeth during the day or night, being aware of it is the first step. Train your mouth to rest with your lip together and your teeth apart. But night grinding requires you to wear a night guard because subconsciously you cannot control your jaw while sleeping. This guard acts as a buffer to the teeth. This way, your jaw is not fully engaged. Over time, you will learn how to stop grinding. Come on.